Ready to turn Follow-Up Boss into your ultimate lead-generating machine? Let's dive straight into how to use the Follow-Up Boss dialer and supercharge your outreach, boosting your sales productivity without adding extra hours to your day. First, navigate to your list of leads within Follow-Up Boss. The dialer works directly from these lists, making it incredibly efficient. See the little phone icon next to a lead's phone number? That's your gateway. Clicking this instantly initiates a call through the Follow-Up Boss dialer. This is especially useful for making calls to a specific lead. When the call connects, you'll see the dialer interface pop up here. You've got everything you need at your fingertips. You can record the call for future reference, take detailed notes directly into Follow-Up Boss while you're talking, and even set the disposition after the call. Think options like contacted, left voicemail, or not interested. For even more efficiency, leverage the call list feature. This allows you to create a tailored call list of leads for mass outreach. Customize the call list to meet your specific needs. Set a specific time to start, add the exact leads to reach out to, and set the outbound number to use. And finally, track your dialer performance using Follow-Up Boss's built-in reporting. See how many calls you're making, your connection rates, and ultimately, how the dialer is impacting your sales. Use this data to fine-tune your approach and maximize your results. That's how you use the Follow-Up Boss dialer to streamline communication, improve efficiency, and boost sales.